So, this holiday season, you have the opportunity to stroll through a Christmas wonderland surrounded by Victorian architecture.
Yeah, it'll be like taking a step back in time to the turn of the century. Well, that opportunity comes with Salisbury's Newtown Historic District Holiday House Tour. Here to tell us more about the tour are Newtown residents and House Tour Committee members Rhonda Ford and Haley Sater. Thank you both for being here this afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is actually a 35-year tradition?
Yes, yes. Ever since the Newtown was established in 1975 as the historic district, we have had a neighborhood association, so to speak, a volunteer. It's a volunteer.
It's a voluntary association. Yep.
And so it's been going. And then the holiday tour is our biggest fundraiser as a part of that that nonprofit organization. So we do it every 3 years. And so different people volunteer their homes and allow people to walk through and see the structures, the cool Victorian architecture, and to be able to see other people's Christmas decorations.
Yeah.
And everybody loves that.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Okay, so tell us more about the houses on the tour.
Yeah, so we will have at least 10 houses this year on tour. Among those are some of the iconic architectural features of Newtown, which include the Gillis Greer bed and breakfast, and then the big Burgundy house on William Street.
All of the structures are all from the late 1800s, early 1900s, most of them.
Yep.
These are the houses that were kind of rebuilt when Salisbury was rebuilt from the big fires. And Poplar Hill Mansion is the one structure that still remained from those fires. And so that's, kind of how, and I've lived on that street since 1968, so my family has been on Elizabeth Street since before it was a historic district.
Yeah.
So,
wow.
But yeah, so it's a beautiful neighborhood. It's an opportunity to just kind of stroll the streets and look at people's decorations. And
And it's not just houses.
No, not this year. We're really excited because we got some of the churches. We have beautiful churches in our neighborhood, and when you're walking your dog and looking at these structures, it's gorgeous. And we want other people to be able to do that. So we have gotten Trinity Church and Bethesda and Wycomico Presbyterian, I believe, is the three churches. And we also this year got Parsons, you know the exact title. I don't want to mess it up.
The John B. Parsons Assisted Living facility, which is a great big, beautiful building that used to be Lemon Hill, which was one of the first and prominent farms in the town established by Dr. Lemon. And it's Salisbury's natural highest elevation point.
How about
Lemon
that?
Hill.
How about, so this is like really an experience.
It really is. It's going to be, and it's a self-guided walking tour. So there is no time frame. We have this year. We've always started in the past at Poplar Hill Mansion. You pick up your tickets and everything there. This year we are going to have 2 locations to start the tour. You can start the tour either at the Poplar Hill Mansion, which is 117 Elizabeth Street, or you can do it at Trinity Church, which is right on the corner of Division and High Street. And it's the beautiful gray brick, church that everybody is so familiar with when you turn off the highway. But there'll be parking. Parking will be available in the Trinity parking lot and the Bethesda parking lot. Both have been gracious enough to allow us to use some of that parking. So you get to start at 2 opposite ends of the neighborhood so that we don't have a lot of congestion. We were trying to make it so that you didn't have to have lots of wait time in the houses as you're walking through.
Sure.
Right.
So how do you get tickets?
Well, you can look us up on Eventbrite. That's where we're pre-selling tickets. Those would be $18, or you can purchase tickets with cash at either of the starting locations the day of. And that day is December 4th, starting at 11.
Hang on. All right.
11 to 5. Cash only, though. I want to emphasize that.
Gotcha.
If you buy them in person.
If you buy them in person, correct.
Haley and Rhonda, thank you so much.
Thank you.